Welcome back. About to bake a cake with a blind, deaf, or mute, whichever one we get. But right now we gotta go pick up the ingredients. So we'll see you when we get there. Now you hit the camera, touch it, touch the lens. Yeah, like that.
We at the local food line.
Do we do chocolate fudge?
Can we get a chocolate cake? Yeah.
Yeah, there's one right here.
Oh my god, y'all fat ass. Okay, don't.
What about
Frank,
one
don't
vanilla?
Frank,
What about
don't
one
fucking
vanilla?
Chocolate.
Well, what does it need?
Hey, tell me this one don't look good.
This shit 2 for $3.
What you think?
What the fuck? You need to do that?
Well,
What does it need?
Oh, I was saying, I feel like this one's more complex.
no, Chicken Nugget already has Fruity Pebbles at her house too.
Well, I feel like it's already in the mixing. What you talking about? Do we?
These are 2 for $6, bro. These are 2 for $6, though. These are 2
Those
for
ones are
6.
disgusting. This is disgusting.
But they're 2 for $6.
Do you want to get
But they're
one?
2 for 6. But they're 2 for 6.
You gotta learn how to coupon.
Lo mismo, pero más barato.
I mean, can we all chug one before we start it?
What?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Frank, would you chug one?
So we just get 2, 3, or 4.
4, bro.
Miren ese niño es mongolito.
Okay, I heard the green ones are the good ones.
Shoot. All right, let's just all get green.
Okay, get 4 of these.
Essentials. I don't know what we're going to use them for, but yeah.
Wait, 1 out of 10? 1 out of 10. Okay.
Wait, what are we doing? What are we doing?
3,
Tell
2, 1, 7.
What? Bro, tell the camera, bro.
Let me see. Give me this.
Tell the camera.
Yeah, I'm about to find out. Wait, what was the bet?
I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna watch.
All right, so they said, what are the odds? 1 out of 10. They both said 7. What the fuck are they odding about? I don't know.
I heard a myth that if you drop it, at least 1 egg survives.
All right, we find out.
Okay.
Oh, no!
You gotta throw it up.
Oh my god.
No, bro, I just paid for them.
You should have never.
Do it, bro. You gotta do it, bro.
Why'd you do 7? You fucking CR7 dick rider.
CR7 dick rider.
All right, bro, you a bitch if you go at this point.
Bro, just throw it, bro. Just throw it. Stop being a bitch, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
Eres un monstruo.
We're gonna have to do it.
Wait,
We only need 3.
Hold up.
Now go buy that little small 6-pack.
Bro, we got egg in there, bro. What you mean? There's eggs in there. Look at that.
Bro, it's dripping, bro.
We about to bake this cake, but first, we can't do it sober because that's boring, and we need a little.
Oomph. We need a little oomph.
Okay, ready?
Alright,
Well, we don't have to do this on camera, but bye. Frank's doing it in
Ready?
spirit. All right, drink it.
Oh, not bad. Oh, not bad at all.
The beginning's not bad.
Okay, that's done.
All right, I pick.
Yeah, you guys show them what's the
Show his dirty ass hat.
Look at that.
Oh, hell.
It's because I wore this to the fucking music festival in Miami.
That was a year ago.
Alright.
That was a year ago.
Oh yeah.
Alright, explain the
That
challenge.
was a year ago.
Okay, bro. So basically,
We have these 4 pieces of paper,
No, the
and
challenge.
one says if you're blind, deaf, mute, or all
All
4.
4. Because it's supposed to be 3 people, but we have 4, so we're gonna do the 4th person do all 4.
Okay.
all 3.
So how do you want to do
4.
who goes first?
3.
It is
Yeah,
all 3.
yeah, it's all 3.
How do we go? Who's off first?
Okay, go. Grab it. Back. Ready?
Okay, y'all ready? Here, have your dirty ass hat back.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm good.
I'm blind. I'm blind. What you got?
I got all 3.
You.
I got all 3.
Let's trade.
So you have the headphones. I'm blind, so I'll be.
I'm mute.
I'm 3.
Oh.
I'm mute. Fuck, I'm mute. That's dead.
That's
Ain't nobody gonna hear your dumb
Right, he's
ass.
gonna be a.
For real.
He's gonna be a vegetable.
Yeah, he's gonna be a.
I already am. Okay, so we're about to get started. Am I talking too loud? I can't hear.
Okay, somebody give me something. We gotta make a cake.
All
Okay.
right, we're about to get started. Andrew, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna read the ingredients. Okay. Pour batter into pans. You gotta pour the batter. Hold that, please.
Okay.
All right, look. So it says pour batter into pans, bake on rack. What the fuck? Oh, never mind. I'm on step number 2. I gotta go to step number 1.
¡Qué bruto focalicero!
So, preheat oven to 350. Grease 2 rounds of pans with Pam. Spray together, whisk together cake mix, water, eggs, and vegetable oil. So we'll be back. Put that in there. Hold on. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. No, not yet. Josh, get 2 eggs. I mean 3 eggs. Josh, get 3 eggs.
Oh my.
Okay.
Can I crack an egg?
3 eggs. No, you gotta crack them.
Let me crack one. Let me crack one. Give me a hand. Give me one.
Hold on. Just hold it right here.
Let me crack one.
All right, 3 eggs. First egg.
I want to do it. Give me
Whisk
that.
together, cake mix.
Hold on. Okay, fine.
All right.
Cracked? No, it's not. Don't touch me. Put on. There you go. Okay, give me the trash. Give me the trash. Bro! Well, I can't see shit, motherfucker. Okay, I wash my hands. I'm not gonna even try to do nothing.
Is 1/2 close to 1/3 of vegetable oil? Cause there's no 1/3.
What's this?
Let's just do a half,
Oh,
right?
it's Frank.
Grab the vegetable oil. Okay. I couldn't find a 1/3, so we're doing a half.
This
Hopefully
Frank.
don't fuck up. Here.
Yeah,
Yeah, look, it says 1/3 cup vegetable oil.
Who's this?
Bro, pour that bitch in here.
Bro, help me. Oh shit.
Here. All right, get that. Hey, damn. Okay, is that 3 eggs? All right, put that to the side. Vegetable oil, that's what it is. 1/3. I told you it's 1/3 close to 1/2.
Okay.
Okay, we need 3/4 cup of water, of milk.
Who's touching me?
1/3 of a cup. Oh, that's 1/3 of a tablespoon.
No cabe duda que es un estúpido.
Who's this? Oh, fuck you, bitch! Stop! Okay, I'm sorry! Stop it, bitch!
Bro, stop, bro, please. There you go, keep mixing, slowly. Be careful, because it's, here, let's move this a
Who's
little
this?
over here.
I
Alright.
don't know who that is.
We didn't measure accurately, so hopefully this is 3/4.
Oh my god. Who's this? Oh, that's Chris.
That looked like too much, I'm being honest. That looked like too much.
That's Frank.
Wait. Hey, look. Just, you're good, you're
Okay.
good. Here, come this way.
Where you at?
Okay. Honestly,
Ahora, ¿con qué pendejada me vas a salir?
I think we need more Fruity Pebbles, bro. We got some Fruity Pebbles,
Which one?
cause we need more. More is
No,
always
I
good.
can't see! What you mean?
Oh. Yeah. Keep mixing. Hell yeah, that shit look hella more good now. Where's the pan at?
Babe, where's the pan?
What?
Where's the pan?
Where's the pan at? I can't
Oh! Where's the pan?
Don't put the pan. Well, who put it in the fridge? You think that's mixing up? All right. Here, pour it in here. Hold this. Pour.
All of it? Okay.
Damn, that shit look good as fuck.
No mames, qué asco.
Oh, you bitch! You bitch!
Okay,
Oh, what'd you do?
Frank, let me know what you think. Here, let me know what you think.
A mí se me hace que eres marica.
Is it busting? Well, I can't really hear you, but I hope you say yeah.
You can't hear either, dumbass.
Oh. Frank, are you ready?
Yes.
Hey, get this.
Ah, that is
Get
hot!
this.
Give me,
All right, be careful.
Give me a.
I can't hear you.
Give me something. I'm gonna put myself.
Bro, just be careful when you put it in.
You got it. There you go. Boom. Alright, can we cut?
2,000 years later.
Can you,
Oh, it fell.
is it gonna get good, Abner? All right, flip it again. Flip it again.
With like my hand?
Or you could
Wait, no, you gon'
flip it with the thing.
Oh. Oh, fuck.
No.
No.
Sheesh.
I was gonna do like that and just.
You're such a man, bro. Hold on.
I want some frosting though.
I got you.
Here, bro.
Oh, I burned the
How's
shit
it,
out
Frank?
myself.
We got milk. We bought milk.
Bro, no.
Alright. Just a little sprinkle, not a lot.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, 3.
Oh, yes, thank God.
What was the odds?
Hey, out of two.
No, bro.
Okay. Ready?
Just a little
3,
bit. So
2,
it's not
1,
messy.
13. Okay, out of 5.
No, it's too late.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Do that.
Okay, first try, first bite.
You need to show it to him.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the side, look at the side, look at the side.
Yeah, that should look nasty.
That shit look nasty. Alright, let me try.
What's wrong with me?
Eat your own peas. Oh,
It's hot though. It's hot as fuck, but
Bro, that shit busting, bro.
a little too much.
it's good.
I hug good, bro. How the hell?
The frosting is good.
Don't hand me that shit.
Bro, try it, bro. It's
Whatever you say, I go with, bro. 10 out of 10.
No?
Y'all won't eat it?
Oh!
It's fucking hot.
Like I'm not even lying, bro. Try this shit, Abner. Here, I'll hold the camera, bro.
There I am.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. We will never do a video like this again. This shit was a fail.
Unless I want us to. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you. Make sure to go like, subscribe.
Ow.
And if you like this, let us know. All right, say bye, everybody.
Bye.
I'm saying bye for them.
We should do